In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password protection from a PowerPoint presentation. By the end, you'll be able to open your deck without being prompted for a password, as long as you already know the current one. First, start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and then open the password protected presentation you want to unlock. When prompted, type the correct password and click OK. It's important to note that you must already know this password. PowerPoint won't allow you to remove protection without it. And this tutorial isn't about bypassing security. It's about turning off a password you legitimately set. With the file open, head to the top left corner and click File. This takes you into what's called the Backstage view, where all the file level options live, like saving, sharing, and permissions. On the left-hand menu, click Info. Here you'll see details about your presentation, including any protection that's currently applied. Next, click Protect Presentation. A drop-down menu will appear with several security-related options. Choose Encrypt with Password. This opens the Encrypt document dialog box, which is where the password was originally set. In the dialog box, click inside the password field. You'll see it filled with dots that represent the current password. Simply delete all the dots so the field is completely empty and then click OK. Leaving the field blank tells PowerPoint you no longer want the file to be encrypted with a password. Now it's time to make the change permanent. Click the Save icon in the top left corner or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Saving applies the change to this file. If you want to keep a password-protected version for archival purposes, consider doing a save as to create a separate copy before you remove the password. But if you're fine replacing the original, a regular save is all you need. To confirm everything worked, close the presentation and then reopen it. This time it should open right away without asking for a password. If it still prompts you, double check that you cleared the password field and saved the file after making the change. That's it, the password protection has been removed. Keep in mind, this process removes the password required to open the file. Other protections, like marking a document as final or read-only recommendations, are separate settings you can also review in the info section if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical PowerPoint tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.